मैं हूं यास्मीन। सलमान खान एक बार किसी से खुश हो जाएं तो मानो उसकी जिंदगी ही बना देते हैं, लेकिन अगर भाईजान को किसी पर गुस्सा आ गया तो वो उसकी जिंदगी बर्बाद कर देते हैं। हाल ही में हमने आपको इस बात की जानकारी दी थी कि सलमान अर्जुन और मलाइका के रिश्ते से काफी नाराज हैं, जिसके चलते उन्होंने अर्जुन और बोनी कपूर को खान फैमिली में आने से बैन कर दिया है। वहीं अब सलमान ने अपनी एक्स भाभी मलाइका को भी बड़ा झटका दिया है। यूं कहें कि सलमान ने मलाइका को अर्जुन के चलते सजा दे दी है। बताया जा रहा है कि सलमान ने दबंग 3 से मुन्नी का पत्ता साफ कर दिया है, क्योंकि वो अर्जुन मलाइका के अफेयर की खबरों के चलते बहुत ही ज्यादा नाराज हैं। बता दें कि दबंग और दबंग 2 में मलाइका ने अपने आइटम सॉन्ग से हर किसी को दीवाना कर दिया था, जिसे दर्शकों ने खूब पसंद किया था। इसके साथ ही मलाइका ने दबंग की 2 सीरीज को अरबाज खान के साथ प्रोड्यूस किया था। वहीं दबंग 3 में ना ही मुन्नी का आइटम डांस दिखेगा और ना ही वो इस फिल्म के तीसरे पार्ट को प्रोड्यूस करेंगी। खबरों की माने तो सलमान ने ही मलाइका को इस फिल्म से आउट कर दिया है। लगता है सलमान वाकई में अर्जुन और मलाइका के रिश्ते से काफी अपसेट हैं। तभी तो उन्होंने मुन्नी को इस फिल्म से बाहर निकालने के बारे में एक सेकंड भी नहीं लगाए। वैसे आपको क्या लगता है, सलमान की नाराजगी अर्जुन और मलाइका को लेकर सही है या नहीं? हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं और बॉलीवुड से जुड़ी खबरों को जानने के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ।
Would you like to please share your experience? Dabangg the tour.
I don't need a mic.
सर मैं माइक दे दूं सर?
So we started these tours abroad, and they did really well. And then I had this idea, our whole team had this idea that we should do them in India, and for our fans here. And so we've done one where? So ahead.
Delhi.
We've done one Delhi, and then we have this is the second one here, and we're trying to do as many shows in India for all our fans. So I think it's a great package. It's a lot of there's a lot of energy here, and everyone gets along with everyone, and the songs are really amazing. The performances are spectacular. We just have this one host which does not performing well, but today I hope he does a good job, and his name is Manish Paul. So we're trying our best, and then we have the most beautiful girls in the industry working with the Dabangg tour. We have one of the most handsome guys in the industry, Prabhu Deva, also on our tour. He's trying his best to dance. Seriously, he's trying to really, match up to my standards. And we're having a great time. So everyone's performing with each other. Arnie, bus, inside.
Dhanyavad, sir. Prabhu Deva, sir, I know you are a man with very few words. Would you like to share your experience throughout?
Good afternoon. The experience was very good and wonderful.
Sir,
He's done.
Little more.
No, I mean, the experience was great and wonderful, and as sir says, and it will be a very energetic and colorful event.
This is the most he's said in any press conference.
Finally, I've done something different. Sonakshi ji, would you like to share your experience being a part of?
I've just been having a blast actually. The way this tour has taken off, I mean, the kind of response that we've got outside of the country, within the country, in Delhi, and now in Pune. I mean, so many of you are here. I can't wait to see the turnout in the evening, and it doesn't even feel like work. We're all just having such a blast on stage. The entire team has done such a fabulous setup and put this show together for us. And we as artists have just enjoyed performing with each other. So it's always something that I look forward to, and I'm so happy to be a part of it.
And we know that you love dancing on stage.
Yes.
Whenever, anytime, we know that.
So if you think she's dancing for the audience, you're wrong. She's dancing for herself, which is the best part.
So we just had a word with the Dabangg lady over here, Daisy Shah. Came Cho. Sorry, I'll just check it.
That's okay. मजामा पुणे कसे आहात तुम्ही? मी प्रयत्न करते मराठीत बोलायला.
Wow, that's fabulous.
Thank you. We have got a lot of love from abroad and yes, Delhi, and we are really looking forward to perform for all the Punekars here. आम्ही खूपच एक्सायटेड आहेत तुमच्यासाठी परफॉर्म करायला आणि भेटूया संध्याकाळी.
खूपच छान मराठी बोलता तुम्ही. थँक्यू डेझी. गुरु रंधावा,
मराठी छान नाही आहे काय?
तुमची खूप चांगली आहे, लय भारी आहे. No. Yes sir, we know that. लय भारी मराठी आहे definitely. Guru Randhawa, Banja Tu Meri Rani. We've been listening to it and we've been falling in love with it. How is your experience being a part of the Bang the Tour?
This is my first ever show with Salman sir and team, and मैं thank you करता हूँ The Bang team का मुझे इस शो का पार्ट बनाने के लिए, क्योंकि मैंने इतने बड़े स्टेज पे शो अभी तक नहीं करा. So this will be my first ever show with the amazing team. So thank you so much.
You will rock it, no wonder about it. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Bang the Tour team in front of you all. Can you please have a huge round of applause once again? And with this, the moment that we all have been waiting for, it's time for you all to ask questions. Any one of you who has question, I would request you to kindly raise your hand and the mic would be passed.
Guys, raise your hands, tell your name and the publication name and then ask the questions, please.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Why is Manish Paul not saying anything?
You want me to say something?
I'm in shock. क्या हुआ?
His lower back is injured.
अच्छा.
Lower back में दर्द है, पर lower back से थोड़ी बोलता हूँ मैं. बोलूँगा तो नहीं, but मैं बोलूँगा. मैं थोड़ा शाम के लिए बचा के रखा. Sorry, मेरे मुंह में टॉफी लगा. मैं साइड में दबाली टॉफी फ्री में पड़ी थी, 2 जेब में भी रखनी थी.
Okay. I was just worried for a minute.
No, don't.
Okay.
So we have a lot of questions coming up related to the Bang the Tour Pune. Can we have the first question, please?
Yes, hi. Sorry.
What humility.
All modesty.
What humility. You're just being realistic. Yeah, that's good. That's a good quality. Yeah.
100%. It's just all about me.
Can I answer that? Can I answer that for Salman Bhai? Because every time he performs, it's a new performance.
Every time he performs, it's a new performance.
He has rehearsed the same thing, but it is always new.
Yeah, because there are times that you try and improvise, and every time you try and do the same thing, it turns out to look different, which is my specialty. So I'm basically trying to do the same step, and it looks different. It's called growth.